to show you how to do a quick and easy back carry using our Bairn carrier. So first of all, I'll show you how to prepare the carrier. So we've got the clips here, the straps here clipped into the body panel on each side, and we've got the chest clip put onto the straps quite high up, just above the little loop here, the hood loop here at the moment, and we'll move those down later on. And this is unclipped here. Okay, so my doll here is about 12 months, so I'm going to keep the cinch quite far along. If you were using the Bairn for a smaller baby for a back carry, maybe from around 6 months, that's what we generally recommend, or certainly until baby has full head control, then you could cinch it in a little bit as well, just to make sure that the width works for your baby. So I'm going to bring that over a little bit more just now. And then I'm going to hold the carrier out in front of me, and I'm going to flip it round. So we've got the care label here in the middle, so you'll see that on the outside, and then when you just bring it round, it will tuck in towards your body. So I'm going to do that like so. And I'm going to position it on my hip here, and then buckle it in at the side. Now when you're buckling it, you want to pull it tight, but not too tight that you can't swivel it round to the back. So we're going to be putting baby on our hip here, and then we're going to use the carrier to swivel them round to the back. So you don't want it to be so loose that it's going to be falling down the way, but you don't want it to be too tight that you can't easily swivel it round to your back. Okay, and then the next thing to do is to make sure that you've got your arm straps here nice and loose. So you want to make sure that the webbing comes almost all the way to the end, so that you just have a small bit, particularly the one on the back side, so my left side. And you can do the same with the other side as well. So they're nice and loose now. Okay, and then I'm going to get my baby. Alright, so I'm just going to position baby over the waistband here of the carrier, and I'm going to bring up the body panel. And I'm just going to make sure that we've got a nice knee to knee position for the carrier. And I'm also going to pop the straps underneath her arm, so she will prefer arms out at this age, so we're going to bring that underneath. And this one at the back, I'm going to just trap that under my own arm there at the back. Okay, and then I'm going to reach around, and I'm going to take hold of this strap here, and I'm going to bring that up and over my shoulder like so. Now if you can't get it all the way onto your shoulder, you can just bring it round to midway over your arm, and that will do exactly the same job. So I'm just going to move that back up, try to make sure there's no twisting there at all as well. And then I'm going to take this hand here, I'm going to hold on to my chest strap as well, which is a good way to avoid them falling down the way as well. So now I've got her completely secure. I've got her secured over my shoulder here, and I've also got her secured on my hand here as well, and under bottom. So now I'm ready to scoot her around a little bit. So I'm going to lift under the bottom here, up and scoot round, up and scoot round, and then I'm going to take my hand here, bring my front crawl over and back to underneath, and I'm going to continue to scoot a little. Now at this stage I'm going to slide my hand along, take hold of this strap and keep it nice and taut, and that way you'll see you've got all the tension held in your arm, and you've also got a hand under baby's bottom. So I'm going to then scoot round a little bit more so that I feel she is centred on my back, and I've got everything pulled taut here. And then I'm going to take this hand, bring it down underneath my shoulder and onto my shoulder there, and I'm going to make sure that this one's also round. Okay, And now we're ready just to make sure that you're bringing your chest strap round and over. So chest strap round and over, so that they're nearly ready to be clipped in. And I'm going to start tightening a little now. Now her leg should be underneath the webbing, and I'm just going to pull that up towards here, and I'll do the same at the other side. So I'm still holding here while I'm doing the first round of tightening. Up, tightening there, and then I'm ready to put my chest clip in, like so. And then I can just do the last lot of tightening on each side. I'm just going to double check that she's still nice and knee to knee, and if she isn't, you can just take the opportunity to swivel her bottom round in the carrier before you fully tighten it up. And then the last step is to just make sure that your waist belt is tightened properly and that your chest strap is in the right position, so you can just decide where you would like that to be for comfort, and you can tighten it up a little bit there as well. And that's the Bairn carrier in a back carry. Now to take her out, we're just going to reverse what we did to put her in. So I'm going to just loosen a tiny bit with my waist belt there, and I'm going to put my hand under the bottom and start to loosen off the straps here, one at a time. And you particularly want that one that's going to be on your shoulder to be nice and loose. Okay. And the other side as well. Okay, and then still having one hand under bottom at all times, then I can undo my chest clip, take my straps in my arm, and then this one is going to go underneath my shoulder so that I can scoot her round to my left. So I'm going to bring this under, back round, and then when I'm ready I can start to scoot her back round. And if you need to undo a little bit more, you can use this opportunity just to give yourself that wee bit extra room. And then once you have all back as you did at the beginning, you've got a hand under bottom, you're holding out her here, and you've got it round your shoulder. You can just bring that hand up and round, and then I can take my hand out of the back here, and that's her. There we go. So that's the quick and easy back carry for using our Bairn carrier. So if you have any other questions at all, please do join our Clan Oscha Facebook page, or you can email us at info@oschaslings.com. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.